Welcome to Aviversity. In today's video, we are going on an incredible journey to explore Mars and discover whether humans could actually live on the red planet. For many years, humans have dreamed about living on Mars, the mysterious red planet that shines in our sky. Science fiction, movies, and books have imagined giant cities and human colonies on its dusty surface. Today, this idea is no longer just fantasy. Scientists and space agencies around the world believe humans could eventually live on Mars. However, the reality is far more difficult and dangerous than most movies show. Living on Mars would require advanced technology, enormous resources, and years of preparation. The biggest challenge is not simply reaching Mars, but surviving there long term. Among all the planets in our solar system, Mars is considered the best alternative to Earth. Most planets are far away, too hostile for human life. Venus is extremely hot and filled with toxic clouds, while giant planets like Jupiter and Saturn are mostly made of gas and have no solid surface. Mars, however, shares some important similarities with Earth. One major advantage is the length of a Martian day. A day on Mars lasts about 24.6 hours, which is very close to Earth's 24-hour cycle. This is important because the human body depends on regular day and night patterns. A similar daily cycle would make it easier for humans to adapt physically and mentally to the life on Mars. Mars also has seasons, polar ice caps, and strong evidence that water once flowed across its surface. Scientists have discovered ancient riverbeds and minerals that could only form in the presence of water. Even more exciting is the belief that frozen water still exists underground and near the poles. This ice could provide drinking water, help grow crops, and even be used to create breathable oxygen and rocket fuel. Despite these advantages, Mars remains an extremely dangerous world. The atmosphere is very thin and made mostly of carbon dioxide, making it impossible for humans to breathe. Without a spacesuit, a person would quickly suffocate without any oxygen to breathe. Temperatures are also extremely cold, often falling below minus 60 degrees Celsius. Mars is also known for powerful dust storms that can cover the entire planet for weeks. These storms can block sunlight and reduce the effectiveness of solar power systems needed for survival. Another major danger is radiation. Earth is protected by a magnetic field that shields us from harmful space radiation. But Mars has almost no protection. Long-term exposure to radiation could seriously damage human health and increase the risk of cancer. Because of this, scientists believe future habitats may need to be built underground or protected by thick shielding materials. Distance is also a huge challenge. Traveling to Mars with current technology takes about 6 to 9 months. Astronauts wouldn't spend this entire journey inside a small spacecraft carrying all the supplies needed for survival. Communication would also be difficult because messages between Earth and Mars could take up to 20 minutes to travel one way. To survive, future colonies would need to become highly self-sufficient. Settlers would have to grow food, recycle water and air, generate power, and produce essential supplies locally. Even with these challenges, the race to Mars has already begun. NASA and companies like SpaceX are actively developing plans for future missions. Many experts believe humans could land on Mars within the next few decades. Mars may be cold, dangerous, and unforgiving, but it also represents humanity's greatest opportunity to become a multi-planetary species. If we can overcome these challenges, the red planet could one day become humanity's first permanent home beyond Earth. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.